Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm finally getting around to making a crosscut sled for my crafty projects. There's a lot of little pieces in here, and using the miter saw just took too long, and then if I'm using a stop block, and yeah, my finger's out there, I don't want to do that. So I watched a lot of videos on the YouTubes, and I'm going to take a little bit out of them. Let's get started. So this piece of melamine I have from an old desk is 34 long and 22 3/4 wide. I'm going to go 16 inches just because it sounds like a good number. That leaves me with 6 3/4 roughly to cut off. Now we need something to hang on to, and this is, what is this? So this is 1 3/16. So this will be good. I have, how much do I have to cut off? Well, if I cut this at 3 1/2, it'll take this off. Okay, now I got to see how high these are going to be cut. This is what I'm used to hanging on to, and I think if I go up a little bit more, oh, that feels a lot more comfortable. This is at 2 3/8. Let's go 3 inches and see if it'll fit for me. Okay, well that feels pretty comfortable. It's a little kitty wampus, but okay. I wasn't thinking about this. That's warped. I can't do nothing with it. Okay, we'll cut it from the other end. Okay, let's see how we did this time. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, real nice. Okay, well, let's get this melamine off of here. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Since I don't have a dado stack blade, it's gonna take a minute. So what I'm gonna do is cut these down to size first, and then work on the Okay, so now I'm going to figure out where the slides are going to go. I'm going to keep 12 inches between the blade and the fence just because most of my cuts are at 10 inches. So I'm just going to set this up at 12 close, and because it doesn't have to be perfect, because I got to make a whole bunch of cuts to get this melamine off of here. So I'm going to go a little bit wider than the track itself, so I have room to move stuff around, because I don't know how this is going to turn out. I just need it to be close. That's all I need. Okay, this part's easy. Now I got to figure out how far away from the blade and everything I want to be, and how much room I need out here. So I just go, because I want to have stops behind it, so my blade doesn't hit me. And I'm thinking if I go about right there, That should be fine. My fingers will be away. Should be all good. So let's draw a line out here. That should work out well. Whoops. I hate it when that happens. Okay. Okay, let's get this more done here. Battery in my microphone died. I ripped a 3/8 inch piece off of this oak trim, and then I had to trim the edge down just a little bit so I could slide through the track easily. Then I cut 2 pieces at 16 inches long. Then I just tried them out in the track again. They were a little bit loose, but they will be fine after I glue it up. Then I set the fence to 12 inches, added 3 1/4-inch nuts on either side to raise the runners up above the table, and then glued it down. Yes, I used too much glue again. Then placed the table on top of the runners after I measured them out, trying to keep them close as I could. And then I added a 5-gallon bucket of paint that was about half full to help hold it down and glue it. Okay, this has been sitting for about an hour. So this should be pretty good in there, glued up pretty decent. So I'm just going to use some 3/4-inch wood screws I had left over from another project. Yeah, I'm burning everything up I got. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, there's something's catching. It's a little loose, but something's catching. And there's some glue there. Yep, I'm gonna get the chisel, get that glue off. That's better. Still going to have to put the paste wax on the sides here just to get the slide a little smoother. I just want this close on here. It doesn't have to be exact. So now I'm going to make a cut halfway across the sled so I can square up the front fence as best as I can. So now the fun part is going to be to square this up a little bit. Since I have it so tight in here, this is kind of way I got to go with this. I don't know if you can see any of that or not, but looks pretty good there. That's going to be it for me right there. This is right up against that. Let's pull this out just carefully. Burn the clamp on it. Well, that's pretty nice. Okay, I'm just going to use a piece of 3/4 inch. We'll see how close it is. That right there is what, about a 1/16 of an inch. For this, for what I'm doing, I will not notice it. So, yeah. I'm not going to worry about it. Close enough for me. Okay, so I'm going to glue this up because this thing is going to take a beating. Okay, now the fun part, getting the screws back to where the holes are at, or the screws back into the holes. It's already there. Okay, there's one. Back this out just a touch. Same thing over here. That looks pretty good. Nothing really moved around, so now I'm going to have to put a stop here so my fingers don't get hit. I'm thinking it's going to go like this. And believe it, I'm just going to hot glue this down there and put some screws up through it, and that should be fine. These boards on the bottom are measured up 4 1/4 inches. So I'm going to set this up and set my stop block up, but I'm not sure. Looks like that's about the smoothest side. Yeah, I got to try that again. Okay, let's give a few of them a cut. Let's cut a few of them. Yeah, that's way faster. I have to get some wax on this thing to make it smoother, make it easier for me, but this is going to work out really well. I guess I probably should have checked them to see if they were the size they were measured up to be, but it's, I think we're good. 4 1/4, right on. Perfect. Yeah, it's going to make my life a whole lot easier. Well, that's going to work out really well for me. I know I'm going to have to do a little tweaking here and there. The stop block's not going to work. I'm going to have to cut a piece of melamine so I can get this clamp out over here because I got to have everything out of my way. And it's going to help me a lot with these because I'm going to be using this sled for pretty much everything and hardly ever use a miter saw because I should be able to do everything I need here. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Any comments or suggestions, please put down below. Everybody have a good evening, and we'll see you on the next one.